This clip here now, we're going to give the lock panel here a wee pull forward. It's a wee bit too far back because the body, the lock here on the bonnet, it's not meeting with the lock itself here in the bonnet, so it has to be adjusted forward. It's about a half an inch, quarter inch back there, so we'll test the clamp here, T-clamp, and where the brackets of the lock will be. So just get the lock off, out of the way, and now we're going to give it a wee pull forward using the dozer. So now we'll just give it a wee shot forward. Lock the screw in place here. Now just keep it up just now for a while now. And should be very well forward there now. So I'll give it a wee tap down each side now on the front panel, and that should relieve any stress and should stay in position. Then we'll try the lock panel back on again and see if the bonnet's closing properly. That's our next operation. Now we've disconnected the pulling clamp here, and we'll screw the lock back on again, set her up, and we'll close in the bonnet to show you the bonnet's closing. That's our next operation. Right, fairly square. Just nice the gap there. It's looking fairly snug there now, it's not too bad, too far away that now. Next operation now, we'll get ready for the bumper, start the bumper on. And it's fairly well squared up there now. So it's not looking so bad now. I'll get the bumper on around and I won't send her up for paint, and that should be the job near complete on our Toyota Corolla 98 model. There's a 4E FE.